Hi guys, welcome to Maths class with Mrs. Speed. In this video, we'll be counting in millions. We'll begin by understanding the place value million, and then we'll learn how to convert numbers in millions from figures to words and from words to figures. Let's get right into it. The place value of a number is the value of that number relative to its position. Now, we already used to place value like hundred, tens, units, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. And today we'll be learning the place value million. We'll be learning how to identify when a number is in million, 10 million, or 100 million. Now let's begin by identifying the place number of the different numbers on our screen. We'll start with this first number, 6,457,323. So we'll begin by writing the place value of each number or of each digit just above that digit. So for the first number here, the place value of 3 is units. The place value of 2 is tens. The place value of 3 is 100. The place value of 7 is 1000. The place value of 5 is 10,000. The place value of 4 is 100,000. And the place value of 6 is million. So to identify a number in the place value million, it must have 6 digits after it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we know that this number, 6,457,323, is a number in millions. Now let's look at the next number here. Let's go ahead and write the place value of each digit in this number. So 9 has place value of union, 2 has place value of tens, 4 has place value of 100, 7 has place value of 1000, 6 has the place value of 10,000, 2 has the place value of 100,000, 3 has the place value of million, and 4 has the place value of 10 million. Let's consider the last number here. Go ahead and write our place values just above the digit as we've been doing. 2 has the place value of units, 6 has the place value of tens, 4 has the place value of hundreds, 5 has place value of 1000, 3 has the place value of 10,000, 2 has the place value of 100,000, 1 has the place value of million, 8 has the place value 10 million, and 7 has the place value of 100 million. So if you look at each of the number on your screen just before the place value of million, you're going to notice that there will be 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all before the place value million. So that's how you identify a number that's in place value million. You will also notice that when you write down these numbers, they are separated by the comma. So if a number has a place value million, you are most likely to see 2 commas in it, just like you can see in the numbers in the screen. So let's read out these numbers. The first one will be 6,457,323. The second one will be 43,267,400. 429. And the third one will be 781,235,462. So the first number has the place value of million, the second number has the place value 10 million, and then the third number has place value 100 million. I hope that with this we'll be able to identify numbers in millions. We are going to go ahead now and convert numbers in millions from figures to words. Now, when you want to convert a number in millions from figures to words, if you cannot easily just do the conversion, you can go ahead and write the place value just above the numbers like we did in the previous examples. For instance, in this number 9,856,214, we can write our place values just above it, and that's going to make it easy for us when we want to translate it to words. Now, we have units, we have tens, we have hundred, we have thousands, we have 10,000, we have 100,000, and then we have million. So if we're going to translate this to words, we have 9 million. I'm just going to go ahead and write that now. We have 9 million. We're going to separate this with a comma, just like as is written in figures as well. And for the next batch of numbers, we have 856,000. So I'm going to write that. Again followed by a comma, and then finally we have 214. So I'm going to write that 214. Now for the next number, we're going to go ahead and write that in words as well. So you notice that the first number was a number in just place value million, but you can see that this number is a number in 100 million. So let's go ahead and write our place value above it as well. So we have units, we have tens, we have hundred, we have thousand, we have 10,000, we have 100,000, we have million, 10 million, and 100 million. So we're going to write this in words. We have 625 million. Let's go ahead and write that. $625 million. That's followed by 300,000. And then we have 723. So comma, and then we have 723. And there you have it. So that's how to easily convert numbers in millions from figures to words. Now next, we're going to convert numbers in millions from words to figures. And this is pretty simple though. You just have to write as you read and be very careful in certain instances. I will show you some of those instances. For the first one, we've got 3,254,931. So this is going to be 3 million. After the million, we're going to write a comma, of course. That's going to be followed by 254,000. So 254,000, which we follow with a comma as well. And then 931. We have 931. So this one is pretty easy to do. Our second example, we have 946 million. We're going to write that as 946 million, comma, 71,000. Now this is where it gets tricky. This is one of those instances I was talking about where it can get tricky. We have 71,000. Now, if you go ahead and follow this up with 7 and 1, you're going to get it wrong, because in 71,000, we have no number in the place value 100,000. If it was maybe 171, then you write 171. Or 271, you write 271. Because it's 71,000, there is no number in the place value of 100. You must represent that with a 0 before you write your 71. This is how to write it correctly. Then follow this with a comma and you have 582. So this is going to be 582. Easy peasy. So you need to take note of instances where there is a 0 in the digit. I think this is one of the few cases where it becomes difficult to convert a number from words to figures. If all the digits are there, like in the first example, it's pretty simple. But in cases where certain digits have to be represented by 0, then you must pay very close attention to make sure you do it correctly. So that's it on converting numbers in millions from words to figures. I hope you understood that clearly. I've got a bit of classwork for you to do on conversion of numbers from figures to words and from words to figures. Just try that out on your own and see if you're able to understand the class correctly. Now, if you don't mind me looking at your work, or if you'd like your classwork to be graded, go ahead and submit it to the email provided on your screen. I'll be very happy to look at your classwork, to grade them and send them back to you. That brings us to the end of this lesson. If you've understood how to count in million, you'll want to check out the next lesson on counting in billions. Thank you very much for watching this lesson. I hope that you like, share, subscribe, or follow, and then turn on our notification as well. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.